Okay.
Hello, it's Zachary again, and today I'm going to be making my own breakfast. I wasn't making my eggs last time, so now I'm going to be making my bacon. So first step, we don't need to add any oil because the bacon already produces its own oil. All right, and so I'm going to. Okay. All right. Also, one thing with the bacon, you want to let it cook until it's around deep red color, or either that or like a little black, just a little.
Like crunchy.
Yeah.
Depends
crunchy.
on what kind of texture you like.
That's why. That's also like you can use a fork to poke it, and if it's like a little crunchy, then it's ready to go. But if it's a little soft, you know you still got more cooking to do. Alright.
Do we need to turn over?
Yeah. Well, actually, no, not yet. Not yet.
You want to try use the tongue or chopstick to turn the bacon?
I'm good. Actually, yeah, I'll do it.
지금까지요. 그다음에